Solar Studies and I am Elder, and today we are going to continue our exercise 1.1. So we are in the third sum, so let's see it. So friends, we have got up to the third sum. So the third sum question is given as use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p and 3p plus 1. So here the question means if we take any positive integers and we do square of it, it will be definitely in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. The p is something. P can be any integer, where p is any integer. Okay. So let's here be any positive integer, and here the b is 3 and q in the p be any integer. So according to the Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. So a is equal to b is 3, right? So 3q plus r comma 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. The b is 3, so 0 is less than or equal to r less than 3, and a is equal to 3q plus r comma r is equal to 0 1 2. So friends, in the sum there are 3 cases totally. So there are case 1 r is equal to 0, case 2 r is equal to 1, and case 3 r is equal to 2. So let's see the case 1. So in case 1, a is equal to 3q plus r. So we know r is equal to 0, so a is equal to 3q. Now here SOBS means square on both sides. Square on both sides. A is equal to 3q, you know? So a whole square is equal to 3q whole square. So a square is equal to 9 square. We can write 9q square as 3 of 3q square. So we are taking this 3q square as a p. Okay, we have taken this 3q square as p. So then it becomes 3p. And now we have it is in the form of 3p, right? So now it is case 2. Case 2, r is equal to 1. So now a is equal to 3q plus 1, and again we have to do square on both sides. So a square is equal to 3q whole square plus 2 of 3q of 1 plus 1 whole square. It is according to the formula of a plus b whole square. So it becomes a square becomes 9q square plus 6q plus 1. So if we take 3 common in 9q square and 6q, then it becomes 3 of 3q square plus 2q plus 1. So we have taken this whole 3q square plus 2q as p again. So it becomes 3p plus 1. Again it becomes 3p plus 1. 3p plus 1. So finally now we have got up to the case 3. So friends, he has given two things, 3p and 3p plus 1. The first two cases are in the same, and now let's see the third case. So in case 3, r becomes 2. So a is equal to 3q plus 2, and again we have to do square on both sides. A whole square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. So friends, by doing a plus b whole square formula, it becomes 9q square plus 12q plus 4. We have divided this 4 as 3 plus 1 here. You can see we have divided 4 as 3 plus 1, this 4 as 3 plus 1. So then it becomes 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. We have taken 3 common in 9q square and 12q and 3. Well, here the 3 of 3q square plus 4q plus 1, here 3q square plus 4q plus 1 becomes p, and 1 is 1, same. So like this, any positive integers, therefore, so friends, square of any positive integers is of the form of 3p and 3p plus 1. So friends, if you take any positive integer such as 2 or 4 or 6, if we do square of the, this will be definitely in the form of 3p and 3p plus 1. That's it. Next we are going to fourth sum. Now we have arrived up to the fourth sum. So the question is use Euclid's division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So friends, here we have to use again Euclid's division lemma to show that any cube of positive integer is of the form of these three forms only, 9m and 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. So let's do the solution. So let a be any positive integers, comma b is equal to 3 I have written, because here we have B, here they have given B as a 9, but using 9 as B can consume more time and it leads to 9 steps total, 9 cases. So instead of 9, we can, the number which can be divisible by 9 is definitely divisible by 3, right? So in the place of 9, we can write B is equal to 3. So according to Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R less than B, and A is equal to 3Q plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R less than 3. And finally, A is equal to 3Q plus R, comma 0 less than R equal to 0, 1, 2. So friends, again there are totally 3 cases. So let's see at the first case. Case number 1, but 0 is, R is equal to 0. So A is equal to 3Q plus R, definitely R is 0, so A is equal to 3Q. So here COBS means cube on both sides. Cube on both sides. So A whole cube is equal to 3Q whole cube. So A cube is equal to 27Q cube. Now we have to take 9 as common, but not 3, because we have written B is equal to 3, but he has given in the form of 9m. So according to the form we have to write. So we have to take 9 as common but not 3 in all the 3 cases. So 9 of 3Q whole cube, and now we have taken this 3Q whole cube as m, so it become 9m. So now case 2, R is equal to 1. A is equal to 3Q plus 1, cube on both sides. A whole cube is equal to 3Q plus 1 whole cube. According to the formula of A plus B whole cube, A cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square plus B cube. So friends, like that, it by simplifying it, it becomes A cube is equal to 27Q cube plus 27Q cube plus 27Q square plus 9Q plus 1. So again we have to take 9 as common. So by taking 9 as common, we will get 9 of 3Q whole cube plus 3Q whole square plus Q plus 1. So now we have taken this whole 3Q whole cube plus 3Q whole square, 3Q square plus a Q as m. So now it becomes 9m plus 1. Now we are looking at case 3. So friends, now we have come out to case 3, where R is equal to 2. So A is equal to 3Q plus 2, and again we have to do cube on both sides because he has given cube of positive integer. So A whole cube is equal to 3Q plus 2 whole cube. So A cube is equal to 3Q whole cube plus 3 of 3Q whole square of 2 plus 3 of 3Q of 2 whole square plus 2 whole cube. So by simplifying it, it becomes 27Q cube plus 54Q square plus 36Q plus 8. So friends, by taking again 9 as common, here 9 as common, we get 9 of 3Q cube plus 6Q square plus 4Q. Now we have to take whole 3Q cube plus 6Q square plus 4Q as m. So it becomes 9m plus 8. So friends, therefore it verified every positive integer, every positive integer's cube. So friends, here a small mistake, every cube of positive integers. So every cube of positive integers is of the form of definitely 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So friends, today we have completed our third sum and fourth sum in exercise 1.1. So in the following session we are going to look at the following sums. So if you like this video, please do like and share this video. So for more engaging videos of 10th class maths, please do subscribe to our channel.